Good day everyone! My name is Mr. Emil Villanueva and welcome to General Physics 1. Our math for today is to differentiate random errors and systematic errors.
Random error versus systematic errors. To better understand random errors and systematic errors, we need to focus on some terms.
When can random error occur? Now we can imagine a scenario wherein you're measuring heart rate and suddenly while in the middle, your crush suddenly talks to you. So what's the random error when your crush talks to you during your heart rate monitor? Listen to your heart. Now how about systematic error? It's something that can be fixed only if you notice it. It's quite difficult to detect, and when you find out, it's usually after collecting data. Going back to me, when measuring my heart rate, how can I commit a systematic error? It's when I record using a stopwatch and the hands moving faster than normal. Random errors will unpredictably shift the measurement from its true value. Random errors can occur when, number 1, you check your temperature and you check too early and the readings are different for every trial. Number 2, measuring the length of your forearm, but you sometimes include the wrist and the elbow in measuring. Number 3, following the instructions of getting 3 tablespoons of chemicals. Well, I usually commit this mistake by having too many or having too less of a spoon. We can fix random errors by recording multiple times and averaging. By doing this, gets us a precise measurement. Systematic errors will shift the measurement by the same direction or amount from its true value. How can we commit systematic errors? Number 1, measuring length with a metallic ruler in cold temperatures. Remember, objects experience thermal expansion or contraction depending if it's hot or cold respectively. Number 2, measuring temperature with a low battery digital thermometer. Having low battery affects the results. Number 3, studying mushroom growth but not considering or controlling room temperature. Systematic errors screws data collection by making it appear too much or too little than normal. Now we can fix systematic errors by throwing out and replacing the faulty instrument, or by changing a certain step in the procedure that ruins the data's accuracy.
Write down your answers on a sheet of paper. Determine if the following situations are referring to a random error or a systematic error. Assume for each item that measurements are taken multiple times. Now we've reached the end of our video. I hope you learned something. See you on the next one. Goodbye!